Lipay sila kay closing remarks na. Actually, I will close this event. I hate closing, actually. Labi na akong nakita ang first family or the only family of the late Kuya Governor Jimmy Kainya. Lisod i-close ang isa ka butang. Pero I assure you, my heart will not close to serve our community. May expect in the presidential table, siguro di na ako isa-isahon kay madugay ta. Kabalo ko, kitang tanan gutom na ta. Which is, akong gi-prepare nga speech is mabot og 15 minutes unta. But while nakalingkod ko dito, ako gi-revise lang because there's a special mention later on na ako lang i-mention. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate all the club officers, especially the newly installed club president, Kuya Danilo Sumpay. And also to the newly organized Council of Past President, headed by our newly inducted chairman, Kuya National President, Kuya Gilbert Hilly. And also the newly organized Lady Eagles Group, headed by the newly inducted Lady President, Eagle Lady President, Ate o Kuya Danilo Sumpay. At last, naka-create na taog group, Lady Eagles Group, diri sa tuang Kauswagan, CDO Gold Coast Eagles Club. Kay tanang mga presidente, mao nang ilang di pangandoy sa unang panahon nga at bisan ako, nangandoy ko na. Now, we have already created and organized that Lady Eagles Group. Sana all. I would like also to congratulate and acknowledge the outstanding contributions of all the past presidents, especially the outgoing president, Kuya Riley T. Samuco, and his set of officers for a very successful year, for the Eagle year 2021. And thank him for his great leadership and commitment. His inclusive leadership in hard work have helped us a lot in achieving our goals. I heard someone say, murag si Kuya Eli mo ito nagingon kanina, kami malabay, silang dua. Muna akong mga close friends. So, murag sumpay na mong tinayin. Naghungong siya kanina. Ayahay. So, ayahay. Kaya ingon niya, the best job in this club is being an immediate past president. And at this moment, I'm sure that must sound like a music to the ears of Kuya Riley. Kuya, hangyon na akong utin mo gamay. Please stand. Can you take breath? Saan na? Feeling. Yahay? Ayahay. So, ato mga past president, naka-experience before sila mo out. Labi sa ako, sa una po, ihanap ko akong feeling. Mga yun, the best job in this club is being an immediate past president. And also, thank him for his sacrifices. Kay kabalumata ato ang Jenong usahay magtantag gabi. To all the club members, please support always our club by attending GMM, pay your obligation, club dues, national, also the regional dues. So, di na ko siguro di na ko paltos wala ko'y paltos, binisaya pa na, wala ko'y absent sa GMA. Siguro makates ko datong mga club president na kay nag-pledge ko sa akong kagalingon, once nga makasulod ko kaninga organization, di ko mag-absent. Please support our club officers, especially our newly installed club president. For I believe that being a leader is not an easy or a simple task. It's not and should never be about the position or about the power. Being a leader should be about being aware of the responsibility such a position brings. A responsibility about being of service to others, those people who follow you. And great leaders understand that the benefits of being a leader also bring with them a great requirement, such as a greater responsibility and sacrifice. Mani atong giingon nga sakripisyo. Special mention to our late regional governor Kuya Jimmy Caina Sr. Actually, nasugdan kanina ni Kuya Regional Governor Felix Ratonil, naging emotional a while ago. Ako mas emotional ko just because as I remember every Sunday this time kauban na nako sa unta na namin to bisag asa kung dili dito sa atong kuya before our itinerary wala yun undas pa yun na siya dili may kahimo ka itinerary makuratan lang ako daghang miss call sa akong cellphone kay Domingo ta ting pahulay ta manawag na siya makuratan lang ko gatahol akong iro na naman day dito sa gawas so maulam na lang ko dali-dali ko o gawas kay ingon pa siya kuya wama kayo ya tinunta wama kay kalingam sorry ta agtuan na to si Kuya Eloy sige kuya may problema tawagan na ako si Kuya Eloy di po mo tubag tawagan mo kay Dani di po mo tubag at tulang ka sa Cabiria so tanang lakaw namo Domingo wala nami dili mo sipya among ginaistorya is about service to this organization to this prestigious organization labi na sa ato ang club atong region and also to the national medyo na kuwan lang ta kay tungod na igo ang atong kuya. Pasalamat ko kay ate kay naka-attend sila diri to accept or receive the award, posthumous award of Kuya Lake Governor Jimmy Caina. Gamay na lang kay kabalo ko gutomon mo kay sa una wa ko nagutom kato na apa si Kuya Jimmy. You know why? 5 PM pa lang na napako sa akong trabaho, gatawag na siya. Kuya, diri ka manihapon kay nagluto si Ate Bibi. Ate Bibi ay ang tawag permikan ka tila. Dili po, I stand to be corrected nga. Dili, Ate Bibi ang tawag niya. Nagluto, sinabawan si Ate Bibi. So, kana siya. Mana kung ginakamingawan kada hapon dito sa ilaha kay manawag jud na white paltos kay nakabalo siya kuya naka-feel siguro siya wakoy family diri sa Cagayan de Oro but because of this prestigious organization nakasulod ko diri mao nahimong family nako diri sa Cagayan de Oro. Kuya, Club President, the newly installed club president, Kuya Danny Sumpay, asahan mo ang ako suporta sa imong presidency. Na ako pirmi, not only the officer of this one, so na ako diha nga mo support si mo. Pwede, lasa ni Kuya, para mawala tong katulgon o